A little taller than I expect you to be.
I'm holding the camera this way.
Yeah.
Got another Cybertruck here for a wrap. Believe it or not, this is number 100 that I've wrapped. Not Cybertrucks, but 100 Teslas. All I've wrapped is Teslas so far, and I will get into other vehicles, but this is number 100. A lot of them have been mine. My last Model Y I wrapped 5 times. This Model Y I've already wrapped twice. Our Model X I've wrapped twice. I already took off the wrap. I'm gonna wrap it again. But I got a problem. But anyway, this is a really special one. This guy drove from Wilmington to come out here. I'm gonna wrap this in a satin white and then put his company logos kind of on the side. It's similar to what I did before, but these are gonna go on the outside and it's gonna be really cool. He's got a couple companies and it's gonna showcase all of them. So on the back and on both sides. So it's really cool. I'm gonna wipe this thing down. I've already just washed it, of course. That's why it's wet. And clay barred it, getting it ready. Later on, I gotta go pick up the logos and we're gonna have some fun with this one, of course. But yeah, number 100. Number 100. Imagine that. 100 rolls of vinyl. That's only some of them. I've thrown away a lot of them. That's crazy. Number 100. So here it is all outside. All of his logos on there. So he is a Tesla Tech consultant with his company. That's what this QR code is. I'm asking about the pest control company. And then this is the same company, it's just different numbers. He builds computers and fixes computers. So if you're in the Wilmington, well, he's in Wilmington area, but if you're in the Wilmington, North Carolina area, hit him up. If you have any computer issues, maybe IT or anything like that, but this is satin white. It looks amazing. I like the satin white on the Cybertruck. I think it looks really good. Everything is spaced out perfectly with his logo. You have the Foundation series up front here, ghosted in. He didn't want the series. He just wanted the Foundation in there. I think it looks cleaner without the series. And then, of course, his logo down the side. They're spaced out evenly, like I said. And I wanted to make sure that this didn't cut into a letter. Took the same logo that's on the side and graded out so it kind of ghosts into the tonneau cover, which is really cool. You have to slice out all these individual lines here, which is kind of a pain, but this thing looks really good because when you open it, oh, it's locked. When you open it, it rolls back and then it's kind of like a little Easter egg. And of course, if you have a Cybertruck and you have a company, you want to put your names on it. I am starting a shop. I'm really close to actually finalizing everything. I think we're going to be really close in the next week. I'm going to have the keys, hopefully, and then be able to do multiple of these at once instead of in my garage here. But we can put your logos on. We can do whatever. This thing looks awesome. What do you think?
It looks great. It looks great.
Yeah, I like it.
He did a great job, folks. He did a great job.
Thank you.
Really,
Appreciate it.
Really
Wow.
great.
Appreciate it.
Yes.
I love how the foundation, that pops more in this than it does with the satin. In the satin black, I should say.
I thought, not that I don't dislike it, because I do like, I thought it was going to be more subtle than that, but I prefer it like that because you can actually see. You can see
Well,
that from
You can see it from a distance.
It's because the sun's behind you. Go on the other side.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I think you're getting more of the shadows from the sun, which is actually really cool. I like the shadows.
Yeah.
It stands out a little bit more. I tried to make sure that this didn't cut a letter.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it. Oh, yeah. That gray.
Yep.
I was considering black. I'm glad
Gray's
you
better.
talked me
Wait,
to
yeah.
I'm glad we went with the gray.
And then on the tonneau cover.
Okay.
Yes.
That might be my favorite thing.
That's really nice.
Oh, you did. You got that to stick real well.
Yeah.
Did you have to really fight with it?
It's really how you cut it and then how it bakes in the sun, because that thing is really hot right now. So it's just that glue is activating a lot.
So good. I'm happy. You did good.
Great job, man.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
And you guys, you want to get your truck wrapped? Go see Brian. Communication was perfect, man.
Thank you. I
you
appreciate
with
that too.
Yeah, absolutely.
So let me ask you, pest control?
Yeah.
You have a pest control business out there?
Yeah. Well, it's not my business. I do consulting work for them.
Oh, okay.
So, yes, pest control, Eastern North Carolina.
Okay.
If you need pest control services, go see me. You can call this number right here, 910-791-5432. As far as my business, I operate an on-site computer repair business, specifically PC Doc on site. Basically, we operate out of New Hanover County. It's a tri-county area, New Hanover, Pender, Brunswick County, Onslow counties, those counties we operate in.
And then the front has PPF on it.
Oh yeah, okay. So,
And it goes right up to the edge.
okay.
You can't see it now because it's so bright, but it goes right up to the edge.
Yeah, I've been, my wife.
Here's a key card before I forget.
Okay.
Because
Yeah, I appreciate you.
I've forgotten a couple of those.
It's a great.
And I'm glad we went with the gray on the top.
Oh, yeah.
It's subtle.
Yeah, it would have popped too much, I think, if it was the red on there.
Yeah, I just want to say I appreciate Brian once again. He
Thank
did
you.
a great job on the car. Kudos to him. Everything from the service, the communications, everything was great. I highly recommend you guys, even if you're out of state, make the trip. You can enjoy the area. You know, they got hotels and everything here, so just chill out for a couple of days and go from there.
Awesome. Thank you very
Brian.
much.
I appreciate it.
Have a safe drive.
Absolutely.
Man, I like that white. I wish more people would do white. Everyone wants to do satin black, but I think that white looks awesome. That is satin white from 3M, and man, it looks so clean. Even though it doesn't have the high gloss look to it or the plastic backing, there's no orange peel because it is just flat metal. Man, if you want that, hit me up. And I gotta say thanks for watching all these. I mean, obviously I know not everyone watches all the videos. My numbers would be amazing if they were. But thank you for staying with me. As you guys know, I'm trying to find a wrap shop, and eventually I will have that. I think I'm really close to finding one, which is amazing. I'll be able to do these inside of a shop and actually do multiple at a time and eventually hire some employees, maybe one of you guys. But I had some awesome feedback from all of you guys. You guys gave some very good constructive criticism on the last video. I hear you. You don't want to see a bunch of wraps anymore. And I get it. You want to see some cool stuff. So on this, I'm going to show you the wrap. And I'm starting another channel for the people that want to see the actual wrap process and see what happens, what goes down. But this is going to be for the reactions of the customer. He's really cool already. The second channel is going to be where I showcase the truck and showcase the wrap. And that is going to be named later on. Actually, I guess I could tell you the name of the company. And a lot of you guys got it already. I1 Customs. It doesn't just incorporate wraps, it incorporates everything because I'm going to be installing parts, I'm going to be installing wheels and tires. Customs incorporates everything. And I1 Tesla kind of go together like a wrap and a Cybertruck. Anyway, I got to get to wrapping, wiping this thing down so there's no water spots, and then get to wrapping. So I'm all done with the car, but I'm putting PPF on the front two pieces. Again, this is all the PPF you need on the car. You don't need to go full PPF all over everything and spend a ton of money. It's just this panel and this panel because there are some rock chips in the steel, or in the stainless steel. And so now we want to protect this. So I've already sprayed, wiped things down, but I'm going to do that again. The biggest thing is you want to have a super clean surface. So this is a satin PPF that's going to go over top of this. It's a template. I'm going to get at this while I listen to, I don't know if you can see, Joe Rogan's podcast with the first Neuralink patient. Go Elon. This stuff is awesome. So this is the embossing underneath. You can see a little bit better on this side actually because the sun's over here. How it just stands out.
I like that, man.
Yeah, it gives a good shadow. Actually, it looks better on the white. I've done it on the satin black, and this is popping more.
But see, I think because it's white and because of the sun,
It's popping a little bit.
yeah, where I think the black is kind of like more
Yeah.
ghost.
Yeah.
But I like
Yeah,
where it's subtle. It's kind of in the background, and then you see it from different viewpoints. That's when you notice it.
Okay.
Which is why, out of all those wonderful colors, I thought I came all the way back to black.
There's 5 Teslas here. 5 right now.